Hindi po nais ni U.S. President Donald Trump na patawan ng parusang kamatayan ang ilang mga mambabatas. Yan ang paglilinaw ng White House matapos ang kontrobersyal na pahayag ng Pangulo kaugnay nito. Jonah Malyari para sa detalye ng balita.
Matapos ang isang kontrobersyal na pahayag ni Pangulong Donald Trump laban sa Democratic lawmakers, tumugon ang White House sa mga katanungang sumunod sa insidente. Naunang inakusahan ng Pangulo ang 6 na Democratic lawmakers ng seditious behavior na may parusang kamatayan. Sinabi umano kasi ng mga mambabatas na dapat tumanggi ang U.S. military sa illegal orders. Ayon kay Press Secretary Karoline Leavitt, nais nga bang i-execute ng Pangulo ang mga mambabatas?
Nancy.
Thanks, Caroline. This morning, President Trump accused 6 Democratic lawmakers of seditious behavior punishable by death. Just to be clear, does the president want to execute members of Congress?
No. Let's be clear about what the president is responding to, because many in this room want to talk about the president's response, but not what brought the president to responding in this way.
Ayon pa sa White House, mapanganib ang mensaheng ipinakalat ng mga mambabatas.
And so these members knew what they were doing. They were leading into their credentials as former members of our military, as veterans, as former members of the national security apparatus to signal to people serving under this commander-in-chief, Donald Trump, that you can defy him and you can betray your oath of office. That is a very, very dangerous message, and it perhaps is punishable by law. I'm not a lawyer. I'll leave that to the Department of Justice and the Department of War to decide.
Ipinagtanggol ng White House ang Pangulo at sinabing walang anumang ipinag-utos ito sa militar na labag sa batas.
But they're suggesting, Nancy, that the president has given illegal orders, which he has not. Every single order that is given to this United States military by this commander-in-chief and through this chain of command, through the Secretary of War, is lawful. And the courts have proven that. This administration has an unparalleled record at the Supreme Court because we are following the laws.
Samantala, inula naman ng tuligsa ang Pangulo nang sabihan niya ng quiet piggy ang isang babaeng reporter sakay ng Air Force One. Ayon sa mga kritiko, pinatatahimik ni Trump ang mga babaeng mamamahayag gamit ang mapanlait na pananalita. Jonah Malyari para sa Mata ng Agila International, Trust.